Hello, today we will start talk about database. As you know, database is an organized collection of data or information. The program that we will use for it now, Access program. How I will open it, you will go search ACC from your keyboard, then you can open Access from here. Okay, once you have this screen, please choose blank desktop database. Blank desktop database. Okay, this window will come for you. From this window, they will ask you where you wanted to save your database from the beginning. Where you wanted to save your database from the beginning. Actually, you will click here on this icon, folder icon. Then you will have like save as dialog box. You will pick where you wanted to save your your file or your whatever. Then you will choose the folder you want, open it. Okay, so here is the like a save as dialog box. You will click on the desktop, then you will choose the folder that you wanted to save inside it your database. You can name your file or you can keep it as is it? It's up to you. Then press OK. Does that mean you can't save your work next when you finish? No, you can save as your work as normal from file, save as, and so on. Now check here, this is the path. You can see it's on the desktop on Access folder. Then you will press create. You will press create. Here is the main screen will come for you when you open Access program. I wanted to explain something very important, that we have here table 1. Okay, you can add more than one table here. You can see them here all. Okay, you can add more than one table. If you remember in Excel program, we call it sheet. Okay, you can create more than one sheet. So in Access, we call it table. As most of you know, that table has columns and rows. The column on Access program, we call it record. It's the column, it's called field. Sorry, Miss. The column is called field. Okay. And the row we call it record. These very important phrases you have to know. So the column we call it field, and the row we call it record. Okay. Now you have to know that each field you have to choose for it the data type. You have to choose for it the data type. That means what kind of data you will type on it. You will choose the data type depending on that. For example, here I wanted to change this ID actually. Just you will click on it. Look, I will tell you. You will bring your mouse like that on the heading of your field. Then once you have it black down, press on it. That means you select that field. This option will be active for you, data type. You will come here, choose it long text. Why? Because actually I wanted this field for the names. I wanted to make a name list. I wanted to make a name list. In just a minute, it's not responding. So that's why I choose it a long text. Okay, it will ask me, you want to continue? I will tell yes. Now, look, this field, data type for it changed to long text. I will double click with my mouse on the ID because I wanted to change the heading from ID to name. Okay, now you will come to the next field. It will be automatically for you. You will come to the next field here. You will press on this arrow beside it. Okay, press OK. You will come to this arrow beside it. Actually, this field I wanted for the address. I wanted to make a list of the address. Let's put long text also. Once you choose that data type, it will give you field 1. You can change the heading to address. Then I will click again to add. I want to actually this one for the phone number. I wanted to make a list of phone numbers. So I will choose the data type to be numbers. That means on this field or this record, field, I can't type text. Only you can type numbers. Now change the heading to phone number. What you will do actually here, your text is bigger than your field, you can change the width as Excel, the same thing. The last field I wanted to create actually, or to add, I wanted to choose the data type for it, date and time. Date and time actually, because I wanted to insert birth date. I wanted to insert the birth date. Yeah, birth date. Now I can start filling my data record by record under the each field. Name, long text. Yeah, for example, we will make Arwa, address Saudi Arabia, phone number. Look, they put for us automatically 0 because to let you know that this field is data, the data type for it is number. So if you try to put text, enter, it will tell you the value you entered doesn't match the number data type in this column or this field. So you will erase and you will type any number. Next, we will go to the birth date. Once you click, it will give you a small calendar. From this calendar, you will bring your mouse here on this left arrow and start moving until you reach the year and month you want. Okay, for example, I choose something randomly. Let's pick this one. Okay. Now, what I will do, you can bring your mouse to fill the next record. Next record, for example, Ahmed. Let's make it Jordan. Numbers. I can use my keyboard arrow to go to the next field, okay, boys and girls? So I can use my keyboard arrow to go to the next field. The birth date, I have to pick from my calendar, from the calendar. Don't put it manually, please. Just pick the year and the month from your calendar, okay? I will erase this, I will erase this. Okay. So let's count how many records I have in my database. Actually, I have 2 records until now, right? 2 records only. I can add more as much as I want. How many fields I have? Actually, I have 4 fields. 4 fields with 2 records. 4 fields with 2 records.